I slept in 2 hotels in less than 24 hours. What? I'm leaving Korea. It's about time. Vickkymama! My friend got this camera, black and white. I wanted to get it too. Like, I love film camera. We are traveling to Jeju, and I will show you the inside of Jeju, Korea. Jeju is a popular tourist destination known for its beaches, seafood, oranges, and peaceful scenery. I can't wait. Wake up, cold on rain. Holes on my back, but my spirit is strong thing. Wallet on empty, free on they cry. Down love they frown. Welcome to the room. Have a cat too and 2 cups. Look at me there. Wow. Look at the bed. The TV. And he decided to do some work here. I love the texture. And this. It's late now, so you can't see anything really. We can open it actually. Wow. Can you open this one? I don't know. But anyway, this is the view from. Oops, sorry. This is the view from up here. Some arch. What is a room without arch? And let's go to the bathroom. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. Got some towels for you. And this is the shower. And they have different kinds like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It's not bad. It's not bad. And look at this little stool. It's pretty. Slippers for me to wear indoors. So thoughtful of them. And totally empty. Just a bottle of water. I already drank half of one. I just got this yesterday because I don't have any face cleanser, face wash, and as a girl you should have one. But if you have a popping skin, maybe you don't need to get some. I hope this works for my skin. Or do you guys have any face wash or face cleanser you can recommend for brown skin? I've been using Neutrogena for a long time, like going off and on, but yeah. So that's the brand that's my go-to first. Because I've not tried other brands on my skin, and Neutrogena is very good on my skin. It's not too ash. It's just perfect. I'll leave it for some minutes. What should I run instantly? Wow. Most times I like my face to air dry because sometimes it's always ash to my skin. But now let me take a shower.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick. Let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door. Playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been.
I'm not seeing the size. Not seeing the side. This is the bathroom. We're two in a room sharing, and I'm sleeping on this side, and my colleague's staying on this side. And it's kind of pretty and cool though. And let me show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Where is the light? Is it gonna come on? Yeah. This is the bathroom. So we have a bathtub and hot towels. And these are the guys' room. Got a TV, fridge. I don't think anything is in it. And a little tea kettle and taps. A television, even if we don't use it. I actually love the lamp. Breakfast will come with me. Bye. See you soon. That's creative. Nice. Came to Osulok. I've never heard of the place before until today. So they are famous for their green tea. So I got something. I'm gonna do a little unboxing later. So yeah. Wow, I love this. The sun is giving. It's giving what it should give, which is light. So now it's time to show you what I got at Osulok. Drum roll. I got a little bag here, and let me show you what I got. What is this? Green tea milk spread. It's like butter. I have not tried it before, but I heard Osulok is known for their green tea. Let me know in the comment section if you've heard of Osulok. This is my first time hearing of it. I really don't know about it. And I'm obsessed with green tea because it's very healthy and it's original compared to the black tea, I think. That's all I got. Guess what? A little backstory. On our way back from getting the green tea product, I was so pressed. I've been pressed from the start, but there was no Kwajanchi around, so I was holding it in. Girl couldn't hold it any longer. I had to speak out. I'm like, see, we need to find anywhere, a cafe, restaurant that has Kwajanchi and do my business. And at that point it was just like 10 or 8 minutes to hotel. I'm like, I cannot wait that long, like it's gonna come out any second. And luckily we found like a restaurant in a corner, and quickly we just spoke to the owner that, oh, Kwajanchi, and it was so nice. It was like, oh, that way, so I just ran. At that moment, in that period, I wasn't even thinking. I was in another world. Have you guys experienced that? Like, oh man. We are at the cafe. Oh, look at the views in there. It's just so cool. Look at that rooftop. Let's check it out. It's so beautiful. What is this one?
Sweet pumpkin
Okay.
latte.
This is mine, right?
Yeah.
I ordered a kind of lemonade because there was not much option, and this place is quite pricey. And Jeju is known for their oranges and tangerine, so why not try the signature? There it is. Cheers. It's already so. And I got a spoon. Today I'm heading back to my base. I enjoyed this trip, even if it's a work trip, but yeah, what's a work trip without having fun? Yeah, without being in the moment. Even if I'm not always in the moment, I'm always trying to capture all the pretty things I see, all the scenery, like yeah.
Wallet on empty, freeze on they cry, landlord they frown, like never light. Waiting when clouds they do, them just passing by. Sunshine in my pockets, gotta catch a golden sky. Mama say life not prepared, but you are the spice. Shake it in your love to make it bubble up. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, no time for sorrow. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, shake up 'cause wake up tomorrow. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, ain't no fit finish show.
I think I like this little life. This little life. I